Okay, so hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome to the live stream, all of you. I hope you all are doing very good. Okay, so yeah, hi Jitendra. Um, hey Rishi. I hope you are doing good. Hi Jitendra, Rishi. Okay, Rishi. At I guess in the starting where the trailer was coming, there isn't any audio, but I hope now I'm audible. Okay, so it's Balch Imran. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing out my channel. It's Bhakt Imran. Thank you. Thanks a lot for like subscribing out my channel. Um. Okay, Sachin, I hope now I am audible, right? Piyush, how's it long time after attend? Oh, okay, Piyush, but I'm happy that you're here. Good to have you, Jitendra. Very good evening, Jitendra. Hi. Hi Sayed, very good evening Sachin. Very good evening Jitendra. Uh, okay, it's audible, right? Fine. I try to take in Hindi as well. It means like I'll try to like speak both of the languages simultaneously. But not complete Hindi I can take in because we have the people like who are from different states and not everyone understands the Hindi, right? So I'll just try to take in Hindi and English both combinedly. I know English might be a little bit more, but I'll try to take it both of those over here itself. Okay, so I'll try. Okay, okay, Sachin, fine. Um, okay, fine, everyone. So, up till the time people are joining in the session and rest all of the things, uh, we can just like simply talking about that what are the things that are currently coming up onto the channel and what are the things that are currently going up onto the channel. So if we're talking and talk about like what are the things, so agenda goes in that on Mondays we have some generalized videos like last Monday it was a video ki अगर आप एक नॉन IT पर्सन हो so how you can convert that to a IT field. So it's like we had in the video. On Tuesdays we have the combination like compilation of the videos, a long set of courses we have on Tuesday. Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays are Python for machine learning. Saturday though we have the live streams only, and on Sundays again we have Python for machine learning. So like that's how it is all going onto the channel, the agenda and the way which we are following it, right? Great. Fine. So like we'll be making up some cool Python project today itself. Like we'll be uh, now it is a sort of a easy project I would say. It's not gonna consist out any library today, okay? Because as I always believe and I tell you people also that it's not always necessary कि आप कोई library ही use करके you can make in the Python projects. It's not at all, right? It's just that कि लाइक आपका कोई प्रोजेक्ट होना चाहिए और लाइक जो भी लूप्स जो भी फंक्शंस पाइथन में हैं उनकी हेल्प से भी यू कैन मेक इन योर प्रोजेक्ट्स. So today like we will be making up some of the project with the help of your I would say normal functions in Python or your loops. Okay, we will not use any library or any module today. Nikhil previous live project was awesome. Okay, previous one. Actually, that dictionary app. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, Nikhil. Thanks a lot. Yeah, Nikhil, I'm just going to disclose in next 2 more minutes. Okay, I'll tell you next 2 more minutes. Great. So just before moving towards the project of today, I just wanted to ask one thing from you people. Like, I hope you people had watched out my video over the Josh Talks Spoken English channel. How many of you did so? Like how many of you have watched out that video of the Josh Talks onto Josh Talk channel regarding my complete journey and the things, because it had gone public yesterday in the evening itself, right? So yeah, yesterday in the evening it got public over the channel. So if you haven't watched out that video, so you can just go over my community section, and there I have put down the link for the same. Okay, you can go and check out onto that particular link, or even you can watch it my today's shorts which I had put in onto the channel. Into that as well I have attached the link for the video. Okay, so you can like refer to any of those. Okay, Piyush had watched. No, perfect, very nice. I'm glad to like listen that over here. And Rishi watched. Oh wow, that's great. Prashant, okay, fine. So like whosoever has watched, guys, thanks a lot for that. And the ones who haven't watched, I will request you guys at least once go ahead and watch it out. Your many of the questions will actually be answered in that video. Okay, you can check out that over the community or over today's shorts. Piyush, you also yes, actually I had posted it onto the LinkedIn itself. Yesterday I did, and yeah, today also I have did it. So okay, you're connected with me over LinkedIn, so you okay. Perfect, guys. So like yeah, now it's the time. Okay, 1 second. May also take a video. Oh, okay, Rahul. Glad to like see all of you had watched out the video. Like senior perform. Hi, I sent you an email. Please check. Okay, I can just finish up this live stream, and after that I'll look over the email, and like whatever is suitable we can further proceed it. Okay. Perfect, guys. So let me introduce you today's project. What is it gonna be? So today we'll be making up a sort of a ATM project. ATM, you all know that transaction machine, like from where you can withdraw your money, even you can deposit the money, right? All of these particular things you can do up over there, and you can check out the balance what you have up into your bank account. So into that, like we will be discussing up that particular ATM project into this particular video of today, right? Again, I'm telling you, it's gonna be a simple project. It's not gonna be a very fancy project, but you can actually convert that to a fancy project. And now I'll let you know the method how you can do that. First let's write down the complete project, and then you can convert that to one of the like very nice projects that I will tell you the method also. Okay, so let's get started up here, guys. Yeah, Jitin, like I will try to speak in Hindi. I'll try. Okay. Sharad Gupta, great Josh talk, very motivational video I shared with 10 friends. Okay, thanks a lot, Sharad, for that. Really, it like helps me out. Thanks a lot. Fine. So like we can start today's project, right? So let's get started up. I'm gonna use my pycharm IDE over here. Okay, I'm gonna use my pycharm IDE for writing out my projects. मैं pycharm IDE को use करने वाली हूँ अपने project को लिखने के लिए. At your ends, आप कोई भी IDE use कर सकते हो. Take it your Visual Studio Code, your pycharm, your Google Colab, Sublime. कोई भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो according to your convenience, जो भी आपके पास है. Okay. Now let's start writing out the things over here. सबसे पहले like first of all I just wanted up a print statement to be there at the very top, and that is welcome to this particular bank. But like this I want in a statement. So you can write a print statement in the very starting. Print welcome to the ABC bank. That could be okay, right? Welcome to this particular bank. Okay, in this manner इस तरीके से you can like write up accordingly to your choice. You can give in some more sentences if needed, right? Or you can write this, or if you want, do not write out anything, right? So that's not a matter of worry actually. It's the optional thing. ठीक है. इट्स नॉट द कंपल्सरी कि आपको लिखना ही है. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि अगर आप चाहते हो यू कैन राइट इट, अदरवाइज नॉट अ वरी. ओके. Senior perform. I just saw your Josh Talk video. My journey is very similar to yours. Okay, okay. First of all, thanks for watching at that video. And your journey is very similar to me. So like, okay, that's quite very nice actually. And I hope you're also doing very good into your life. Rahul, your English is so lucid. What's the secret? Rahul, the secret is into that video. Go and watch it out once again. I had told in all of my secrets over that particular video about the English, about the like way how did I learn, or the same manner how you can actually learn in. So yeah, that's the one. Okay, otherwise I can discuss it at the last of the live stream also. Okay, you can just like remind me. We'll discuss it at the last. Okay, Adarsh, so good to have you here in this live stream, Adarsh. I hope like you enjoy of this particular live stream. Okay, so yeah, we are just simply printing welcome to the ABC bank. That's my one of the print statements जो कि like मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ, right? Piyush, Shambhavi, at the end some Q&A can we all ask? ठीक है, okay, sure. If the time will permit, sure we will have that Q&A. Okay. See, like I was just planning up a Q&A at my end, as I told you people also, like it's gonna come very soon. Maybe in August we will have our first Q&A. It's just that some things are going at my end, so just because of those currently I'm not able to like completely make up the setup or the things regarding that particular one. But yeah, like it's gonna come very soon. But yeah, at the last you can put that. Okay, you can. Okay. So print welcome to the ABC bank. Right now, what I can do? See, I will take in up a pin. We have a pin number, right? Just with the help of that pin number, whenever we enter that onto the ATM machine, what it does, it helps us to like withdraw or deposit or check out the balance, whatever other things, it helps us to do so, right? So that's how like you can write up a pin over here. So pin is my variable, you can set it up accordingly. Let's say 5, 6, 7, 8 for me, it's that particular pin. Okay, you can do it anything according to your choice, whatever the pin you are actually having in. Okay, now let's say there is one more thing which we have in the chances. It means that let's say अगर आपने एक बार pin enter किया and like you entered that pin wrong, ठीक है? So क्या होगा? It will give you a second chance. ठीक है? Second again you put up the pin, you again did that wrong. You will get up the third chance. Now third will be your last chance, right? If you are not able to put up the correct pin, so like it will be blocked in for 24 hours or 48 hours. Like this is how the things happen, right? So I'm again gonna put up 3 chances. That in 3 chances, if you're not able to give in the correct pin, so you will not be able to further work upon the stadium, or your account will be blocked in for the next 24 or 48 hours. This is how we are gonna plan it up over. Okay, so chances I had put up over here as 3. Next मेरा variable जाएगा balance. It means that how much balance you have up into your account. ठीक है, you can put any number over here of your choice. Let's say I put in 1000. ठीक है, that's what you have to do. और ये सारे variables हैं that you have to declare in. ठीक है, this was very simple, I know. But then also if you people can get me a confirmation, am I clear with the things up till now or not? Jitendra, I am new, so okay Jitendra, not a worry. If you have any questions at any time, you can put those down, and I hope you will enjoy this live stream. Pradeep, hello ma'am, please could you make a session on Python REST API? Yeah, sure Pradeep will work on that Python REST APIs also. Yeah, absolutely we will. Thanks for like giving your suggestion. I'll try to work it upon as soon as possible. Rahul, working for a low code platforms will have bright future, like Apne. Low code will have a bright future. working for a low code platforms will have bright future. See, Rahul, it's like see, I always like think over one particular thing, and I always admire that particular thing also. Ki you always get to learn some or the other thing in some or the other sort of the organization or the platforms, whatever you are working in, right? So like if it is a low code platform, it is a high code platform, not a worry, you will get a good sort of learning in at each and every place, right? So if you think it upon your like base of a learning, that you have to learn something and you will get to learn a lot in that company, so yeah, all of those will be the perfect suit for you, right? Okay, Rahul, Shaji, Nikhil, thanks for the confirmation, guys. Fine, balance I had set in. Now comes in, I'll be putting up my condition. Okay, I'll be putting up my condition. So it goes like while. See, I told you that we'll be getting 3 chances, right? So while chances is not equal to 0. See, I'm going with 3, 2, 1 in that manner. Okay, like chances will be 3, then 2, then 1. If you will put up over here 0, then chances will be 1, 2, 3, that manner, right? So again, it's on to you, like how do you want to like put up the things. So while my chances are not equal to 0 means if my chances not equal to 0, it means that if there is some chance for me to put up the pin, then in that case I will go and write up one variable user pin, and now I will ask the user to enter his or her pin over here. So it's like that, int input, and it will be please enter the 4-digit pin, like that. Okay, please enter up the 4-digit pin. Fine, that is what you will be requiring, that is what you will be asking the user to do that first of all, right? Now, if the user pin is correct or not correct, these two options could be there. After taking up the pin from the user, 2 cases can be made. Either the pin is correct or the pin is wrong, right? So like let's do it for the conditions. If user underscore pin, it means that the pin which is entered by the user is not equal to the real pin. This is my real pin 5678, okay, and user will be entering the pin over here. So if the user pin is not equal to the pin, then in that case my one chance will go. So chances is minus is equal to 1. This will be like chances is equal to chances minus 1. So see, it will be like chances minus is equal to 1. So like what are the chances I was having? I was having 3 chances, right? 3 minus 1. Now I am left with only the 2 chances of me to give in the correct answer. Okay, so if the user pin and the pin which is entered by me, if both of the pins are different, in that case I lose my one of the chances to give the correct pin. Okay, still I am left out with 2. And even we can print up a statement over here, right? Like wrong pin number. Okay, wrong pin number, comma, try again. Like this we can put up a sentence, or we can even put up now how many chances are left for the user to enter the correct pin, right? Because that's one of the things which we really have to focus upon. We even have to put in and tell in the number of the chances which are left out, so that it takes the person to the safer side, right? So now I'm going to put up the f string over here, and I'm going to write that you have my chances of the variable which is storing it, right? Chances left. Now here what I did, I used my f strings. Whenever you are having up a print statement, okay, somewhere between that print statement itself, you want the value of any variable to come up into your print statement. I'm again repeating. Whenever you want the value of any variable to come up in between your print statement, you use your if strings. Okay, you use up your if strings. And if this is not the case, else. Okay, else we will be giving now the options to the user. If like this is not the case, so obviously the user might have entered the correct pin now, right? So I'll be using in user underscore choice as a variable, right? And I'll be taking up the input from the user input, and I'll be writing up input B to check the balance. Okay, 1 second. B to check the balance. Okay. Next will be D, right? D to deposit it up. D for deposit. 1 second. Deposit. Let me do one thing. Let me remove this and let me remove this and then this. At last, okay. D for the deposit. W could be done in for the withdraw of the amount. Okay. So yes, this particular thing could be done in like B for the balance, D for the deposit, and W for the withdraw. Now after this, we'll be putting up several conditions. If the person wants to check the balance, then what to do. If the person wants to check the deposit, do some deposit, then what to do. If the person want to withdraw something, then what to do. So all these things will be writing up. But before that, just give me out a confirmation, everyone. Am I clear up to this particular place about putting up the conditions and like how you have to proceed in with this particular thing? Am I clear with to all of you? Okay. Okay, so we are clear. Thank you. Thanks Rishi for the confirmation. Thank you. Fine. Now let's proceed it. Okay. Now I'm proceeding in with my conditions. 1 second. Fine. Now if the user underscore choice is equal to B, it means that if the user has chosen B over here. Thank you. Thanks Piyush for the confirmation. If the user choice is equal to B, it means that if the user has chosen B, so in that case we can simply print up a statement. Print if and your total balance is rupees, and here goes my variable which is balance, which I had made up over here. So it will display me somewhat like that. Your total balance is rupees 1000. In that manner I will get in my desired output if I have chosen B as an option. Getting down, I'll be writing up my again one of the if conditions, because we have to put in multiple if, because we are having the deposit and the withdraw also. These two are still we are having, right? So let's do it now for the deposit. User underscore choice. If the user has chosen the option which is D. D is for my depositing up of the money into my account, right? That is what is your user choice. Let's say it is equal to D. Now first of all I will ask the user that how much amount do you want to deposit in, right? So for that I'm going to make up a variable. Let's say it is deposit and is for user. Okay, into that I'll be taking the amount from the user, like how much wants to deposit, right? So I will write in enter the amount uh, to be deposited. Okay, this type of a statement we can write up. Enter the amount to be deposited. Fine. Now, when the user has entered the amount to be deposited, now what we will do? The balance which we were having, in that balance, I will add up the deposited amount. Okay? I mean, like whatever the previous amount of amount we were having up onto the account, I would just try to add in up some the today's amount onto that the deposited amount. So let's see how we do that. Total underscore balance. Okay, total balance is equal to deposit underscore user plus balance. So my total balance after the user has deposited up the amount will be deposit underscore user plus balance. So I'm going to add up both of the amounts and put it up onto a new variable, which is total underscore balance. Right, so that is what I have done. And I can now print in that how much amount you have deposited and what is your current total balance into your account. We can write up those statements. So you have deposited rupees, and here will be deposit underscore user, right? This much amount you have deposited. Next will be print again f string your total balance now is, again I will write rupees and my variables. My variable will be total underscore balance variable. Fine. So now my total balance is rupees this much. So if the user has chosen the option which is D, these are all the things which that particular user will be getting in as a sort of a output into the console. That is how, right? Let me clear if I'm clear to all of you over here with this particular second one, which is that deposit option. Okay, Karthik, hi Shambhavi, I watched your video on Josh, your channel journey, Josh. Thank you, thanks sir Karthik, thanks a lot Karthik. I am very happy that you watched out my video and today, like here you have came in, and thanks a lot for that. Anuj, please speak in Hindi. Anuj, I can't completely speak in Hindi, but I can explain you. See, हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या किया, हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे as a D लिया है, that is मेरा if मुझे कोई भी amount इसमें deposit करना होगा, so मैं उसमें D option choose करूँगी, like मेरे जो भी options रहेंगे उसमें. So in that की फिर मैंने further एक new variable लिया deposit underscore user. So उसमें मैं यूज़र से इनपुट ले रही हूँ कि कितना अमाउंट डिपॉजिट करना है एक्चुअली. ठीक है. देन मैं जो भी अमाउंट यूज़र ने डिपॉजिट किया है उस अमाउंट को जो पुराना बैलेंस था ऑलरेडी अकाउंट में उन दोनों को ऐड करके वी आर स्टोरिंग इट ऑन टू अ वेरिएबल जो कि है टोटल अंडरस्कोर बैलेंस. और एट लास्ट में अपने जो भी अमाउंट डिपॉजिट किया है यूज़र ने और डिपॉजिट करने के बाद जो भी टोटल बैलेंस है अकाउंट में उन दोनों चीज़ों को आई एम displaying, right? Like hope it's like clear to you, or maybe you have gotten the idea for the same. Okay Shajil, fine, thanks for the confirmation. ठीक है, this is done. That is my deposit option, right? Up comes in my withdraw option. So if user underscore choice is equal to W, that is my withdraw. Now if I have to take in out some amount, so like for that, so it's gonna be like withdraw underscore user, my variable, right? And I'm gonna ask out the user that how much amount do you want to withdraw. So it's like I can write it enter the enter the amount to be withdrawn. ठीक है, like this we can write in as a print statement as a input to the user कि like enter the amount जो भी आपका withdraw होना है, right? Next we will be writing up here total balance. Up if I have some amount which has been taken out from my account, so उसमें कि it will be deducted that amount. So now total balance will be balance minus withdraw underscore user. It means that जो भी मेरा previous balance था उसमें से यूजर ने जितना भी withdraw किया है उन दोनों को subtract करके I'll get in up my final balance, right? So that is how, and I'm going to write up the print statement. Print you have withdrawn, it's like that, you have withdrawn rupees 1 second, oh where is my f string, 1 second f. So you have like withdrawn rupees, और यहाँ पे I will put in my withdraw underscore user. और यहाँ पे मेरा जो print statement है it will get me again a final statement कि अब कितना amount we have in the account. So your total balance is rupees, और it will be my total underscore balance variable कि ये मेरा total balance है जो कि currently I am having in my account, right? So if you people can confirm me, like am I clear about this withdraw option as well to all of you? Am I clear with this withdraw option, guys? Okay, Rahul. Okay, fine. Thank you for the confirmation. Let's proceed in. So now I will come out of my else condition and I will write in a variable user underscore exit. In that variable we will check in like if the user wants to exit or user wants to do some more transactions or some more things in the same time. ठीक है? Pasha ji, if I opt to withdrawal of excess balance, okay, if I opt to withdrawal of excess balance, yeah, you can use if I opt to withdrawal of excess balance, like I'm not able to like completely get you कि what you are trying to ask in, but if it is कि अगर आप withdraw underscore user को आगे लिख के you write in balance in the second position, so in that case you will yeah, you can do that excess amount. Yes, you can put in up that particular option also for the withdrawal of the excess balance. You can do that. Jitendra, use same variable, ma'am. Balance VLNCE, I guess it's the same. Jitendra, I guess it's the same like balance is equal to deposit underscore user plus balance. Balance is equal to deposit underscore user plus balance, right? Total underscore balance, right? It's okay. Okay, if like it's Jitin, if you're asking like I have to write in withdraw underscore user minus balance, if you're asking me to write in that manner, right? So like उसमें क्या होगा कि it will give you the negative sign with the amount, बिकॉज जो भी वेरिएबल के पास ज़्यादा अमाउंट होगा उसका साइन लिया जाएगा, राइट. सो दैट इज लाइक यू कांट लाइक एक्सचेंज अप द वैल्यूज विद द बैलेंस एंड द विड्रॉ अंडरस्कोर यूजर. दैट्स हाउ. इफ यू वर आस्किंग दैट. Rahul, then I'll. अच्छा ठीक है. Kajal, okay, it's Kajal, right? Kajal, please make a Python project using Linux OS. Sure, Kajal. Thank you for your suggestion. I'll try to make that as soon as possible. Rahul, Pashaji, it will show with negative sign. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, this one is done. Now I was talking about the exit from the user, right? I was talking about that. Now I'm asking the user, do you want to continue or not, like take in that manner. So would you like to exit? Okay, that will be my question which I'll be putting. Yes/no. The user has to type in yes or no. Okay, user will be typing up in that manner, yes or no. Now अगर ठीक है, अगर यूजर ने कहा if user underscore exit is equal to yes, it means that if yes, user is gonna exit up after this particular one method. So in that case we can print up a like last statement for the user, that is thank you for using ABC bank. ठीक है, this type of like we can use in this type of a statement like thank you for using this, or from there we can simply break the statement. And if not, now I'll be adding my else condition. Else means that if the now user has taken the option for no, then in that case now what to do, that we'll be discussing now. Okay, it's like one line is still left out and it will be else, otherwise you will say that okay, continue. So continue will what it will do, it will again take you back to the while chances, again this whole procedure. One second, from here, let me get down from here up till here, up till this particular place. ये पूरा का पूरा procedure वापस से it will repeat in if you had chosen up here the continue button. Okay, sorry, if you have chosen the else. Okay, IDK ABS for no negative values. Yes, right, you can use the ABS sign for no negative values. Okay, Nikit at the rate IDK, what about this if balance is less than withdrawal amount? Yes, see Nikit and IDK, everyone like GT and guys, listen me and see, there are there might be many cases which we can more put up over here with our like the things which you have experienced in, right, the much more enhancement of the codes, that all could be done it now at your ends. Right now that will be what we will say, that this project is made by you actually. See, I can always help you out for making the layout, I can always help you out with the things, how to use those. I can even demonstrate you up the examples, but at last the resume, the CV of your, what it will want, it will want some project which is completely made out by you, right? So you can use any n number of whatever the things you want, you can use all of those according to your own convenience, own choice, everything you can put in. IDK, bro, I think it is installed on Linux. Right, is pre-installed. Okay, yeah. Lokesh, can we start the backend development using Python? If you create this, will really helpful for all developers. They would know any Python backend course and video. Okay, sure, Lokesh. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your suggestion and thanks a lot for your advice. I will try to work up upon this particular thing as well. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, Jitendra, yes, fine. So I was telling कि अगर if the user has taken yes, अगर user ने yes लिया है, so we will get this statement और break means that कि मेरा program break हो जाएगा और end हो जाएगा. But if the user has taken no, so it will go to the else part and in the else we have continue. So what will this continue do? It will again take you towards your while condition, and it will again help you to run up to this particular place once again, right? So that is how it actually works in. Now what I'll do, I'll just try to run it once over my end and show you like how is the final output and the things coming up over here. 1 second. See, welcome to the ABC bank. Please enter the 4-digit pin. Let's say first one I'm gonna enter something wrong. Wrong pin number. Try again. Okay, now you are having 2 chances left in. Please enter the 4. Acha. Okay, sorry. You would like to exit yes or no? Acha, I did wrong thing. Okay, please enter the 4-digit pin. Let's say this is my wrong. Okay. Would you like to exit or continue? Let's say I wrote in yes. I wasn't able to like put down my correct pin, so I simply exited from there. Right, now I will run up my program once again and I'll show you the correct thing now. Now enter the 4-digit pin. Let's say my pin was 5678, right? Now what do you want to choose in? B for balance, D for deposit, W for withdraw. So let's say first of all I want to check in my balance, so I will click on B. So it told me that okay, your total balance is rupees 100. Would you like to exit yes or no? Let's say I don't know, I don't want to exit it. Again it will ask me, okay, you have to enter your 4-digit pin. So let's say I entered my 4-digit pin. Now what do you want to do? I want to like deposit some amount. Let's say D, right? How much amount do you want to deposit? Let's say I want to deposit 4,000. 1 second. So now it told me that okay, you have deposited rupees 4,000 and your total balance now is 5,000. Now would you like to exit yes or no? Let's say again I did no. Okay. Again it will ask me to enter my pin over here. Now what do I want to choose? Let's say I want to withdraw over here. Okay. Now how much amount you want to withdraw? Let's say I want to do it as 2,500. Okay. I'll click on enter. So you have withdrawn rupees 2,500. Now your total balance is rupees minus 1,500. Now this minus is coming because of the same reason which was like taken by over here. That same thing about which this like IDK and you all were discussing up over here, right? That is the reason this minus is still coming up over this particular place. Now would you like to exit yes or no? So let's say I wrote yes, right? So thank you for using the ABC bank. So that is like how you can just create up this particular ADM project at your ends. Okay, here withdrawn amount, right? Here withdrawn amount you can just use in the ABS function over here, and that will help you not to put up your negative sign in that case, right? Now see, does it have a database? Okay, fine, yes, fine. IDK and IDK, does it have a database configuration? No, for now it is not having up any database configuration, but you can connect it to one of the databases with the help of the SQL. If you want, you can do that with the help of the SQL. You can connect it to a database, and once you have done all of these particular data, whatever transactions are being done, whatever the withdrawn or whatever is done, that all will get start saving up onto your database. Now what more could be done? Firstly, I had simply made it, right? You can convert it to a GUI project. As soon as you will convert it to a GUI, it will become up your one of the apps, right? You can design up an app over there. I have entered only 3 things: balance, withdraw, and the total and the deposit, right? You can add in more options according to your choice, even if you need it out or the things like that, right? So this is one of the things which you can put out, or like you all might have gone to the ATM machines, right? Now what are the things, whatever the things you're having up over that machine, what are the options you are having, you can put down all of those options also over there, right? So this is how like you can make up a sort of a project. Actually, see, this is the one which I had made, that is you cannot add it up into your resume or CV because it's a very simple one. But if you modify this project, if you convert it to a GUI, put in some more options, some more buttons over here, then absolutely you can add it up onto your resume or CV. and it will be your project actually, because you have you have made it onto your own. This will be your project on actually, so it will not be copied up also some from anywhere or the things like that, right? So that will be my a sort of a recommendation to you about doing up the and further proceeding and making up more things onto this particular project. Yeah, absolutely, Shaji. You can put it up a mini statement option over there, right? These all the things you can do it very clearly at your ends, right? So I hope you all are very much clear with this particular project which we have done. If there are any questions, you can please put down those questions for me over here. I can just wait for next 1 or 2 more minutes, and till the time, if people can put down your questions if there are any regarding any of the things which we have discussed. Um, IDK next project URL shortener. Okay, sure IDK, will take it. Sure, we can take it. We can take it next. I'll take this project next. Okay, sure. Okay, hello, Sudhir Kumar. Hi, welcome to the live session. I hope you are doing good. Yeah, most welcome, yeah, IDK, we can just take it that URL shortener next. Sure. Nikhil ma'am, please make a video about JSON and Pygame. So that Pygame. Okay, sure, Nikhil. The detailed video I can make it. But Nikhil, about the Pygame, if you have a sort of a doubts where about the some, so I had already made in some projects into that. I have explained about the use of the Pygame, the functions which you can use, how you can use, right? So up till the time, if you want, you can go and check out those all of those up till the time if I'm posting up the video complete for the Pygame. Okay, you can find those under the Python project section in English and Hindi. In both of those you can find it, Python project section or Python project playlist, you can find it, so you can check that. Yeah, IDK, you can please put out the route. Piyush, after Python, which library goes on to learn? See, Piyush, Python is a programming language, right? So it's on to you. After Python, see, it depends on to your field, what type of field you are having. Let's say you are a web development person and you are preparing up for web development or you're learning web development. So after Python, you will learn the Django framework or the Flask framework, right? Let's say you are in data science. So after Python, you can learn about the structured query language, SQL, right? So it depends what domain you are further want to pursue, and accordingly you can just do up the things and check up about. Okay, it's around more than 2 years to me. IDK, more than 2 years it's around to me. Prince, can you put this project? No, Prince, not like this. You can put it the code which I had shared, not like this, but yeah, you can make in some modifications over this particular, and then you can put this particular project into your resume. You can first of all convert this to a GUI project where you will get in some tools over there. Even you can add some more options into this, and after adding up all of those particular options, you can put down it into your resume. Sunil Kumar, how to crack IT job? How to crack the IT job? See, it's okay, Sunil Kumar, I just really wanted to wait in for this particular answer, because I can make up a detailed video over this about how you can crack your IT jobs. Okay, I can make up a video, But yeah, rather like if you want to like know the answer currently about, so like you can like preparing for the most asked out the topic. Like we all know that what is the field which we are going in, what are the most asked topics into that particular field, right? So you can work upon those particular most asked topics into your field and practice out some coding, data structures and algorithms. It is the most important thing to every of the domain right now. So like have a good command, good hands on over your data structures and algorithm as well. Piyush, I'm from AI in data science, also working on Linux as Red Hat intern. Wow, it's awesome Piyush, very nice. Okay, IDK. Most welcome, Chetan. IDK, I'm programmer for fun and I make AI stuff in C and use it in Python at the rate Piyush. Okay, okay. At the rate Piyush. Okay. Perfect. Very nice. Great, guys. So I hope like you might have like enjoyed making up this particular project. It was a simple one which gave you even the revision of all the topics. And now about converting it at your ends, that's your job. So do convert it onto a good project. Okay, and again I'll say if you haven't watched out my Josh Talks videos, so please go ahead and go onto the channel of the Josh Talks Spoken English, and you can watch out my video over that particular channel and get to know about my complete journey over there. Okay, so yes, thank you so much. Oh, so hold on, one question we are having. Kriti Yadav ma'am, confused my future. Okay. So see, Kriti, it's just that like if you are a person who enjoys doing the coding and the stuffs, so you can come up over the software engineering, web development, all of these particular fields, right? Other than this, if you are not like enjoying up these things, you can like if you like are a person about like if you like enjoy doing the video editings and all those, so you can just work as a video editor and the person enjoy some of the ethics, right? You can work as a content strategist in the different ethics where you have to design up the content for their complete courses, right? If you're a person who likes teaching, so you can be an instructor at some ethics or any companies like that, right? So there are many options. It's just that like you have to choose in which one is the best suits to you. Yeah, okay, so if you're not a coding person, yeah, then also you are having many options, right? I told you about you can be a content writer, you can be a content strategist, you can be a video creator, you can be a video editor, okay? You can go onto the products side. So yeah, these are the rest of the options which you can explore it once at your end also apart from the coding. Okay, hope that helps you out. Piyush, I watch it. It's really awesome to hear your journey and experience. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Piyush. Thanks a lot for that. Um, okay, it's Mandir. Can we showcase this project in a resume? Not like this, exactly not like this, but yeah, you can convert this project to a GUI one and then showcase it up into your resumes. Okay, you can convert it to a GUI project, then you can showcase it onto your resume. That will be much more helpful. Aditya, is this class um, every day, ma'am, at 10 p.m.? No. Aditya, it's only on Saturdays. Saturdays 10 p.m. Only on Saturdays. Piyush, you can go on analyst role like Power BI, Tableau. You can learn. Yeah, right. That's also a good option. That analyst role. Sunil Kumar, about the live sessions, I have taken only live sessions only on Saturday evenings. Rather, I work in different edtechs, and for those edtechs, I have taken the live sessions in Python and in the data science. Okay, fine, everyone. So thank you so much, everyone, for attending up this particular session. Everyone, thanks for joining up this live stream, all of you. I was really happy to have you people over here. And now I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening with some more new project, and this time it's gonna be some very different project which will be doing up into next live stream. Okay, so thanks a lot everyone for joining in. Have a great week ahead. Bye bye and take care all of you.